Hello, I wanted to make a short video on dowels, on banging in dowels. We learned a lesson. Well, one, we showed making all the steps a while back, and we showed that we were banging in dowels with that hatchet right there, the blunt end of the hatchet. Then we got a little bit smarter, and we started bringing in that little sledgehammer thing. But what we found that works the best is we found a fairly large piece of cedar, that is the old cedar that was kind of rotten from a tree, but actually not rotten, it was just really old. I'm sorry, the camera's jumping and I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. So we found that hitting with this is much more effective than with a hammer. And if not directly with this, then we put this on the dowel. I can't do it because I don't have a videographer or person here. If we put the stick on the dowel and then smash it with the hammer, it doesn't start beating this end all up and start to spread out. And for some reason, this just works so much better. So I would encourage you to get what I call a stick that is solid, that I call an enforcer, and just use that instead of a hammer. It does less damage to the dowel, it has a wider surface of hitting, and it allows you to really whack the thing. Alright, that's it. On